These are the two new Joy-Cons, brothers. So that's that. Now, there's some. There we go. You see these? These are new Joy-Cons. I love that. Also, we're gonna pair them to the Nintendo Switch.
What's that, guys?
So I know that my filming is so bad.
What is this, baby?
That's something for this.
We have to take care of that stuff.
Yeah, I know.
It's not cheap.
So, this is a new Joy-Con. Very beautiful. Time to pair it. Okay, so you see the thing, because the thing is charging right now, which is very sad. So, what am I gonna do is that. I'm gonna put it over here. Just wait. Okay, so this is out. My old Joy-Con was out. Time to pair it with the new Joy-Con. Boom. There you go. See it? It's paired. Nice. Now, there you go. So you may see that like the thing might be pink with still the old Joy-Con. The old Joy-Cons are with the black things, okay?
Namili din sila Kasi sila nanay ni ko. Nakita ninyo? Sila Jody.
More Joy-Cons, the better.
Pala, yung...
So, this is the other Joy-Con.
Ngayon, black...
Doesn't lag.
Sale pala.
So good. Now, time for the thing. I'm trying to get a good camera angle. Yeah, I know. Filming out of 1 hour.
Namili din sila.
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. 3, 2,
Pati sa Pinas, Black Friday.
boom! There you go. You saw that? Yeah, that's right. You see that. Yeah, you saw that? So these are the old Joy-Cons. They're good. I love them. Good. They're epic. Now, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. This is cringe note, by the way, just saying.